Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been spending quite a bit of time on TikTok, definitely more than I should, but I've been coming across tons of Christmas videos and lots of DIYs. And there was this one video that I came across. I will try to put some screenshots over here of an archway of ornaments. So I figured I would give it a shot and recreate it myself and just film it for you guys. So if you're interested, please keep on watching, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much to everyone that has already subscribed. But yeah, let me just show you guys what I'm going to be using, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so this is all the stuff that I got for this project. I got some of this chicken wire, and I got it in 3 feet by 5 feet. I got this at Home Depot. I believe it was around 15 bucks. And I went to the store and got just a whole bunch of ornaments. I got all of these at Dollar Tree, some at Hobby Lobby, and Dollar General is really stepping up their game. I got tons of really cute ornaments there. I got some silver ones too. I basically got a whole bunch of white, silver, gold, and of course some pink. I got some of these little ones to just kind of fill in some of the holes. And I also got some more deco mesh just to kind of fill it in if I don't have enough ornaments. And I also have some lights that I might string through the archway. I'm still not sure about the lights, but yeah, just a whole bunch of ornaments. And also we've got some wire cutters for the chicken wire and a staple gun. In the TikTok videos that I was watching, some people were using command hooks, but I just went ahead and brought out my staple gun. So this is all we're going to be using. Hopefully it's enough ornaments because the videos that I was watching, they did say they were using quite a bit of ornaments. So hopefully my archway is not too big. And also in the video that I was watching, they did bring it all the way down to the floor, but because my heater is right there in the way, I might just bring it down to about halfway, just because I also have small nieces and nephews that come over, and I don't really want them knocking all of the ornaments down. So that's what we're going to be doing. So let's just get started. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas. Okay, so I finally got the chicken wire up, and I also stringed some lights there, got them plugged in, and now it's time to hang all of these ornaments. And I'm just honestly gonna go randomly and just set them in like this. And I'm gonna do that all around, and hopefully I have enough.
Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
White outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights.
Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. It's pretty full, however, there are just a few spots like this. Just kind of throughout. I am out of big ornaments, so what I'm gonna do is just take these little ones from Dollar Tree and just use them as fillers and kind of just go through like the more bald spots, like right there, and just try to fill in these little spots with those. And we'll see how that turns out. I do have two of these, so I might have to use both of them, but that's what it's looking like so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on.
Memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. I do like how it looks. It looks pretty full. But I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this garland that I found at Dollar General, just to kind of add a little something, especially over here at the top where I couldn't get any more ornaments. So I'm gonna add this and then we'll be right back.
All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Oh, Merry Christmas to you.
I'm finally done, and I did go ahead and turn the lights back on. And I think this looks really cute. I love how full it looks. I love how when you walk into the living room, you can just see all that. It just looks so cute. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. I really, really loved it. It did take way more ornaments than I thought it would. There are probably 300, if not more, ornaments. This took way more ornaments than I thought it would, just because they kind of bunch up and you have to add a lot just to make it really full. But it looks really cute. I'm very happy with it. So yeah, this is my TikTok inspired ornament arch, and I'm very happy with it.